So the idea of sending out families with these wearable cameras is so that we can get a realistic and comfortable picture of what happens with mums, dads and babies at home. And this is just so that we can understand all the different ways people interact, and that ultimately we can link that to all of the emotional personality differences so that we can understand how to support different families in this really important but sometimes difficult time.
When you visit us, we will fully explain what's involved and ask you for your consent to take part. To turn on the head cam, press the power button for 3 seconds until an orange light shows. Then press the middle button for 3 seconds until this orange light disappears. The camera is now recording. Clip the camera onto the headband and position the headband on your head so the camera is in the centre of your forehead facing downwards. Line up the camera with your eyes as low down as is comfortable for you and just covering your eyebrows. Turn on your child's head camera and position their headband in the same way. You now need to turn on the camera in the photo frame. Press the on-off button until the green light turns on, then press the video button until the green light flashes 3 times. Position the frame where it will get a good view of you and your child. Try to make sure it isn't facing a window or tilting upwards. When you have finished recording, remove your headband. To turn off the head camera, press the power button for 3 seconds. Then turn off the camera in the frame by holding down the on-off button. Your footage will be saved automatically to the cameras. Please then take a moment to fill out the diary we have given you to tell us more about what happened while you were filming. We will then collect the cameras from you, and a member of our research team will then view and analyse the footage to record the different behaviours.